Welcome to the Time for a Meal. Today I will show you how to make garlic and herb torn bread. Delicious, golden and crispy with incredible soft and spongy bread. Pour warm milk, sugar, dry yeast and egg into a bowl. Now mix it. Hot wheat flour, add butter and salt. You can knead by hand or use a mixer to make a dough. It is worth using vegetable oil to prevent the dough from sticking to the bowl. Set the dough aside for an hour to rise. In the meantime, prepare the garlic and herb butter. Start by chopping the basil. Add it to the butter and chop the parsley. Squeeze the garlic. Add black pepper, salt, and now mix it. Knead the risen dough. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe. Roll out into a rectangle half centimeter thick. Brush entire surface with previously prepared garlic herb butter. Cut into 5 cm wide strips. Fold the strips into accordion. Then arrange them in a round shape. If you don't have a round tin, use a rectangular or square one. Set aside for 15 minutes. Brush with egg yolk mixed with milk. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees. Bake for about 40-45 minutes. You can serve garlic and herb bread, like with tomato sauce, without a doubt the perfect combination of flavors. Bon appetit! Did you like it? Subscribe to be up to date. See you next time!